Fambulu na cabo, plenty koshete na all. Today, now one day we adjust. They feel so tormented. Me heart heavy. Me body, the nerve. I feel totally consumed with the problems them now we country. Hallelujah no day anymore na Sierra Leone. Every day we wake up now na Lord have mercy. The same token, Alhamdulillah don't dawn na Sierra Leone. Waiting on take effect na Subwana lie. But you mean the lawyer themselves don't join the pain where the ordinary man they suffer? You mean one of the most noble profession self don't get contaminated na Sierra Leone? You mean lawyer them when are the people we for uphold the law? With them for be the engine of the law, the engineer them, we they maintain and arrange, supervise, superintend the law. Then self don't for don't got like we self. Sierra Leone, is it the case? Say yesterday go always better past today. Things just to get worse. From the colonial days, then lawyer day, yeah, now we can't get no better. I remember where SLPP be the struggle. Now so the lawyer then go mago inside SLPP. 10 lawyer then break away from SLPP. And then go form PMP. Albert Magaina, one of them. Abu Kuruma, Batan Macaulay. 10 of them, with the exception of Pasheke, we know to be lawyer, we not be the deputy leader of PMP. Within a PMP, People's National Party, because of Mago, because of Big Eye, because of Mille, covetousness. But now, all the things then will be evident. Just after independence and just at the beginning of we Sierra Leoneans, them for take charge of we country. They don't multiply. They don't worse. They don't get chronic. If anybody in Sierra Leone open a yes to my voice, anybody when a Sierra Leonean with it abroad, open a yes to my voice. Una let we wake up and come to the realization. Say Sierra Leoneans are doomed. The one noble profession where they in charge for mitigate laws in our country. We supposed to make sure say the constitution is followed like a fine-tooth comb. Make sure say legality is of the essence. Then self don't follow a gutter like any other person. Why? Because we get Satan the duel with we as we president. Can you imagine the most corrupt individual? We not respect the rule of law. Na in, na the one we suppose for protect the constitution. And they get for do them in collaboration with the lawyer them. You mean the president at the fountain of honor and justice, waiting just but matter be you? Which part pan justice matter be you understand? We anytime we lawyer then they go congregate for deliberate on issues them. Where the engineer law now with society, it is send the policeman them, the OSD them, for go descend pan them like vulture. It happen at Kenema. It end up by a brow, big brow. And if the people them, where the engineer will law, where the administrator will law, where they in custody of will law, are being pushed to an extent that they pull close and fetch na public. That they paint a very bad picture of our society. You know, from time immemorial in history, since mortal man we created, whether you like it or not, outside mortal man and the disagreements go there. Therefore, we need people them we go stand the gap for make them able breach them differences then they for make them go reduce conflict, then go manage conflict. So lawyers are a very integral part for civilization. Now lawyer they make a lot of killings then wait for they happen, not they happen. Then they prevent a lot of unnecessary deaths. And even when deaths happen, then the one where they investigate for find the person, we do them. Who is guilty? Guilty. If you're not guilty, they lie on you, then go advocate, fetch, and pull your neck. So now a very vital role. But now in Sierra Leone, it is contaminated. Wait make we need the lawyer. When in conflicts there, they happen. Conflict, it is inevitable. Mortal man, in whichever circumstances then gather, then in a church, they go make plaba. Then in a maslasi, then go make plaba. They married, then go make plaba. This is an inevitable reality. And that is the reason why the one and we wiser than we are created this discipline and then call them a very noble profession. Why then call them noble? Now a profession we the area people in secret. You don't forget diarrhea now you want, you know for flippant. You for able to keep secret. Because you deal with sensitive information. You deal with people and lives. You deal with people them held secrets. Now that's make in any other society in the world before you be lawyer, then they do very stringent police checks. They want for know first and foremost if you are of an exemplary character, which I don't think they do in Sierra Leone. All Tom, Dick, and Harry, they go be lawyer. Now look at what we have. We have a situation where everything is broken. Even those that are supposed to administer the law where we get, make sure that the law is followed. Make sure the laws are right for we consumption. They too are broken. They too are broken. They too are not functioning. Italek now for say, God don't left Sierra Leone. Now, Satan don't make Salone a headquarter. Since Mother Bio, the most diabolical fool, Sidon, at the seat of power. And they try for tell people and say, no matter your affiliation where you get for political party, this term not a term for political party, this term na term for think about rescuing our country. Our country is in the limbo. Our country is in jeopardy. There is an adage that says, Agbolo lake water not to way it boil. This water, it don't begin boil. Una lo we fen way for cool and down. Oh. Make we all come on at the water. Oh. If you need for law, we all come on at the water. We left you inside the water. Let we do that. This not a time for think Minde. This not a time for think Timney. This not a time for think Creole. This not a time for think Soso. This not a time for think Yalunka. This not a time for think Loco. This not a time for think Limba, Creole. This not time for think Sierra Leone. This not time for make we come together. We develop a common ethical values where we all go adhere to. I don't tell una plenty of times. Say any society with a function, it function because you get good citizens. And other we they refer to as a good citizen. First, that person will they obey the law of that community there. If you're not a good citizen, you know they obey the law, you are not a citizen. Now we get a president, now we country, we know they obey the law. Because in order to obey the law, in order to respect the law, nobody doesn't respect the law. The law don't come to the lowest. We get for remove and commodity. We get for pull and deal without even thinking twice. Because this is not good. We cannot go up in shorter circumstance. A country where we do elections forget result. You know they take exams, you don't get result. But this is the first time somebody don't take exams now in country. He end up not get results, but he say them for promote him. If that is not wrong, nothing is ever wrong. You don't fail exams because elections now examinations of your performance. You not study, you don't fail. When I ask you for your results now, he say it is classified. Nobody know for ask you questions. Nobody know for cross-examine you because you are above the law. Impunity is at its highest. That's Sierra Leone today. Then people there. Now people are with very significant now in country. Who are the lawyers? Lawyer, then you can split them into people them where they deal with contentious legal work. That is then changa plaba. Plaba. We're very flammable. We're very troublesome. We're very haphazard. Boss palava. Then they deal with other kind palava then. When a non-contentious palava. That is plaba them, cases them, we plaba no day, they not disagree, but now for unforeseen contingencies, then they plan how for avoid palaver, then they manage their issues there. So lawyers, not to play, a very important role, then they play now the society. Then they meet, interview clients, establish the family suitability. If this family go able to give you what you expect, then sabi the law and then go advise people about the law, then go tell you how the law they work like in particular areas, because you got various areas of law. Then go advise clients about the law, the legal issues relating to your case. Then go negotiate with clients and other professionals to secure agreed objectives. Then go research and analyze documents and case law to ensure accuracy of the advice and procedure. Then go coordinate the work of all parties involved. Then go attend meetings, negotiations with opposing parties. Then go act on behalf of the client in disputes and represent them in court or a tribunal if necessary. Then go instruct barrister or specialist advocate to appear in court for the person. Then go make will for people. Then go make agreements. Two people meet, then one do business, then go make agreements for make, then go able work together, then go arrange them percentage and everything, then sign contract. So then they help for keep order na a country. But if you get the people that we for keep order, the governments what we get don't make them disorderly, then which hope do we have? Even this was supposed to happen in a country. As it happen at the country, so would they see a small bobo, then they call them bloggers. Not to them be supposed for the before this year. Now then lawyer there. Malawi, and the lawyer then fed for correct things then would they happen. Everywhere in the world, now the lawyer than the day before. And then they make sure, say, they monitor how the constitution they relates to the people, how it work for the people, and prepare for reprimand and hold anybody to account. Irregardless them position, whether you na the executive, whether you na parliamentarian lawmaker, whether you na whatever, na then duty for uphold the law na the land. They too are broken. So which hope do we have? And it's so ironical and so funny that now the president don't set fire. Two people then within at the same place. The president don't put the police there against the lawyer there. Now the policeman don't turn to the second there where they catch the lawyer there. So whenever they say lawyer then come out the second then they come out for can catch them. Yesterday, the 10th of July, the lawyer then go for Google Meet the AGM meeting. That is the annual general meeting. Where they for be go pick who that they need for pick and talk about the issues them we for deal with the law fraternity. As in the gather so now in the second then candy then can brutalize them. But the one them way like the custodian of law. Una not respect them. Now we wanna go respect. And it's so funny. The policeman is supposed to be the one where they collect the evidence. Present and to lawyer them. For deal with the case in a court. The policeman, they are contaminated. So whatever evidence they collect, it contaminated. The lawyer themselves get their own contaminations. Quite a lot of them. We would ask ourselves, if they were doing their jobs in the first place, if they were upright men and women in the first place, would you think they would be placed in such a predicament situation as they are right now? No, they wouldn't. They say before to get buy you now, or sell you. Una be don't they take money, na politician in the hand. Una be don't they compromise with politicians then for thief people they land them. Una be don't they compromise for sell people and cases them. Una don't be the compromise when somebody come meet una, he tell una a private business, he left will, una change the will for suit another person who una like na the family or we give una money na the family. So everybody knows say most of una hand and dirty. Nobody not respect una. The politicians they not respect una. They don't use una. Now they don't dump una. Now una look like dirty clothes. When they even a gutter. Una don't block the gutter. Now water not the flow. Now the thing in this way, we can tell people them we're short-sighted. Little did you guys know you will be placed in short a predicament. Now on a predicament, it affects we all in the country. The one that win alligator, if alligator die in water, the alligator they all congregate, they lift and then pull and fall and pollute the water. But Buna be they encourage pollutants in the water. Now we don't end up forget a very polluted environment. We are all suffering. Everybody is suffering now in the country. Everywhere else in the world where you go, lawyer them get a very significant position. They are a specialized entity, very specialized entity. Sierra Leone, the lawyer them, then so big guy that then deeper all thing. One green lawyer ain't go do all thing. Where other country them, lawyer then divided into various type. You get family lawyer, you get immigration lawyer, you get intellectual property lawyer, you get tax lawyer, you get environmental law, you get corporate law, you get entertainment law, you get international human rights law, you get maritime law, you get animal law, you get labor law, you get paralegal, you get personal injury lawyer, you get criminal defense lawyer, you get employment lawyer, you get bankruptcy lawyer, you get a corporate lawyer, you get civil rights lawyer, you get conveyancer, you get disability lawyer, you get advocate, you get military lawyer, you get prosecutor. These are all variations of lawyers, very different disciplines of lawyers. But which ones do we have? We get Kukujumuku lawyer them. We get Dabaru lawyer them. We get underhand lawyer them. We get Osusu lawyer them. Would I hit for them today? Then they work for. If you not hit for them, then take your case, then get the other person. Look at where we are at now. The world where we live, everybody gets a discipline. And everybody a discipline. Directly or indirectly, they affect other disciplines. You get certain professions and when are noble professions. Now people them way upright supposed for the day. The other one are doctor them. Now that noble profession. In fact, then they call doctor. Not because they are doctors. Now honorary title. Because the real doctors them are academic doctors of philosophy. But because their duty now for care for people them we vulnerable. Because of that, they award them that title, doctors. But they too, now the other one, same thing, train tempers, corrupt elements. The dearest family, them waiting not wrong with we country where the lawyer then self don't reach na gutter as then they so. Now I they call upon una the lawyer them for the sake of the country. Not to bloggers them for the team up, the talk but the ills them when they go on the country. Now una rule that one day. Una take una rules then seriously. Make una come out and begin the fight for Salone people then. Una begin the fight for the disabled. Una begin the fight for the vulnerable, the weak, the miskina, the less able, the vulnerable. Make we country could be an equal society, an egalitarian society, a society where everybody is a stakeholder, everybody feels significant. We don't get a society now where somebody talk, people and say one be relevant. Any society where people and they talk like that is broken. Any society where people and they talk say somebody talk because he wants to be relevant, it is a broken society. Because the God will make we all equal. Everybody is relevant. Everybody is significant. Everybody is important. Everybody matter. We are all stakeholders. There is no Sierra Leonean that is better. Whether you have law degree from here to Blama, you know better pass that man with the selfish. And these are the attitudes where they make we intellectual class useless. Because the whole essence of you getting your law degree, now for let you make The man with the selfish relevant, like you. Because if you get the issues them, when somebody sees advantage pan, now you get for stand for them. Now you make good lawyers them now decent society, civilized society. Then they do cases them on pro bono. Waiting at cases on pro bono. No win, no fee. That means to say you they take the person in the case, you fetch for the person, when the person win, when I shame the money. Just for make justice. Justice is done at the society. And then they go also act as a deterrent, make other people afraid for doing anything and they where it do to that weak person. Make nobody not take advantage by a company. Then nobody not abuse the company. Look at the day. We are not even able to make annual meeting. Why? Because the government don't want the country function. But Sister Michael Timap, it challenged the government behavior. Sister Baptiste, Sister Michael, I honor you. I take my hat off to you. If we get 20 of you kind, we country go rise like them put yeast panna, like them put baking powder panna. It go rise like rice bread. It go rise like bread. It go rise like akara. You are the people that we need. Now areas they win a vocation because a lawyer is a vocational person. Now a person will get a huge responsibility. Bashita stood up. He don't care whether he lost his position. We will not drag him out of his position. And with the Sierra Leonean them, when they see how they happen, we sit down. We keep quiet. So all the problem there. Now we only cause them because we don't come on our street. All the other lawyers and probably don't come on our street. Because that's what happened now. Now in Malawi. Where they pull it, the Chief Justice. They want to replace him with somebody else because the Chief Justice rejects a notion where the president puts forward. All the lawyers say, you know, they interfere with the law fraternity. The Chief Justice don't do what is right. And we approve, say correct. We stand by him. All man come on and do. Then protest. Lawyer then protest. Then wear then gown them and their hats. Jump in the streets. Where you see the lawyer that they stand up for what is right, everybody go follow suit. But Sierra Leone, una the lawyer they una corrupt. Una the lawyer they wait for defend people them, we fall foul of the law. Where the law they take advantage upon them. Because the law not supposed to take advantage. Now law na equalizer. Now that's make the constitution they above everybody. But Sierra Leone, the president they above the constitution, they massa like half back. They massa like muke. So Fambule, we call upon the law society, the law fraternity. Una organize una self. We need una urgently. Mother be you, a no good for una, a no good for we. We live in a symbiotic world, a world where we are one. Any community where una dey, if una not get a common values, common ethics, common principle, una not dey thrive. Una go fall, una go fail. And this man called Bio, the only good thing we do for we, it don't can show we how not for rule a country. It don't make we all see how a country go run badly. We have to get rid of him immediately. The lawyer them, una osho, will be the tell una. You don't for say una one una, you don't for say una tell una. But una don't see him. We'll be telling una say if una yai they not boss una go see him. But as una don't see him, so we go once we'll get more Bashitas. Make una all turn to Bashita Michael. Bashita, I love you. I appreciate you. May God bless you. May God elevate you. Make you rise like an eagle. Make your territories may enlarge. Make you progress. Make you begin and progress. You do your work. Who you choose as your vocation and you do them wisely. If everybody can tell like you, the world could be better in Sierra Leone. Thank you. God bless. Imran T.